Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, red color, orange color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, white pink color, black color, pink color, blue color, green color and light green color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Okay, so now you draw E. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J. J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon, M for mango, and N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O. O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill, R for rabbit. Okay, so now you draw S. S for snake, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vanilla. Okay, so now you draw W. W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.